when we talk about AI generally, what we're talking about really is the manipulation of large amounts of data at scale. So if we think about it that way round, and there could be a wide range of things here, from quite simple algorithms to really complex machine learning. When you think about it like that, I think the best way of thinking about it is, suppose you had 1,000 reasonably smart interns that you could set to go and work on something. What would you have them do? And when you think about it like that, rather than giving it the label AI or generative AI, then suddenly it becomes clear that there's a whole bunch of things which you could do now which you couldn't do before. Now, the obvious first thing is, oh, I can create more content, and lots of people in learning and development are doing that. But go beyond that and think about, well, I know that understanding what people can do is quite complicated, but if I had 1,000 interns, I could go and have people watch what people are doing, understand it, put that in a database, have some other interns check the database. And yes, you can do all this with AI, and suddenly what you're talking about is understanding the skills across your organization quite profoundly. And while you're at it, why not get some of those interns to go out and look at the job market and understand what's happening out there, and then feed that information back to you so you can understand how your people internally can respond to the job market, where you need to recruit from, and so on. When you think about it like that, we have a future where the friction that comes into the workplace through resource constraints, we just don't have enough people to do something, disappear. And when those frictions go, then we end up with a different way of working.